Hello students, today we are starting with second chapter of social science, that is motions of the earth. What do you mean by motion? Motion means movement. Here we are going to talk about movement of the earth. Now earth has two movements. First is rotation and second is revolution. What do you mean by rotation? Rotation means moving on its axis. Okay, now have you tried spinning ball on your finger? That is finger spin. If you have tried that, you will see that ball is moving on the support of the fingertip. In the same way, the earth also needs a support on which it moves, and that is axis. Now take for an example, we have a top. Top moves on the support of this pin and it keeps on moving on one place. So moving on one place, that is rotation. Let us take an example for earth. Earth also moves on the same place, on the support, with the support of axis. But it is very important to learn that the axis is imaginary. Imaginary means which you cannot see. सिर्फ आप मान लेते हो कि वहां पर एक एक्सिस है, बट एक्चुअली यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी एक्सिस, सो दैट इज इमेजिनरी. नाउ द एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ इज एक्चुअली slant. It is not straight. Here I have shown you the axis on which it is rotating, but actually it is slant. So the axis is slant, the earth becomes tilted itself. टिल्टेड यानी थोड़ा झुका हुआ. तो आप अर्थ को देखोगे ग्लोब के ऊपर वो थोड़ा झुका हुआ है. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट रिवॉल्यूशन. रिवॉल्यूशन मीन्स रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन. रिवॉल्विंग मीन्स यू आर मूविंग अराउंड सम ऑब्जेक्ट. If you are moving around some object, that is revolving. Here we are talking about the earth. So revolving around the sun, that is revolution. Look here, this diagram. The sun is in the center of the solar system and all the other planets are moving around the sun. So here the earth is also revolving around the sun. Sun के आगे पीछे घूमता है. ये मोशन को हम रिवॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. Moving around the sun. The earth moves from west to east side. Okay. Now earth is doing two motions at the same time. It is rotating also and it is revolution is also happening at the same time. That you have to keep in mind. One more word we are going to learn in the chapter, that is orbit. What is orbit? Orbit is a path on which the earth is moving. The earth moves on a fixed imaginary path. Again the path is imaginary. आपको वहां पर दिखेगा नहीं, पर वो फिक्स ऑर्बिट पे सालों से सदियों से एक ही जगह पर घूम रहा है. दैट इज द फिक्स्ड इमेजिनरी पाथ ऑफ द अर्थ. वी कॉल इट एज ऑर्बिट. लुक हियर, दिस इज द डॉटेड लाइन इज द पाथ ऑफ द अर्थ. On this path, the earth keeps on rotating. It will not change the track. And all the planets have their own orbit on which they are moving. Okay. Now this orbit is elliptical in shape. What is elliptical? Elliptical means oval. It is not circle. This is the sun, and if the earth is moving in a circular motion, what will happen? Throughout the year, this is earth. Throughout the year, the distance will remain the same. So the elliptical shape, due to which the earth comes near to the sun and goes far from the sun, and that is how the seasons occur. Okay, so rotation and revolution we have learned in a brief. In detail we will learn now. Okay, 2.1 Ferris wheel in a fun fair they have shown. Now here you can see a support on which this ride is moving. Okay, now you can see the ride is moving like this. On the one place it is moving. So this is an example of rotation. Rotation means moving on its axis. Likewise, this has a pin on which it is moving. The earth also has its axis on which it is moving. Okay, this one 2.2 measurement of pillow shadow. Now this is an activity which you have to do in school, which is not possible right now. Okay, but I'll explain you what is the activity about. See students, this is a pole on which a bird is sitting. Now, when the sun rises, the shadow falls on the opposite side. So this is the shadow. Early in the morning, the shadow will be long and far. As and when the sun will rise gradually, the shadow will become shorter and shorter. Take for an example, in the 6 o'clock, the shadow will be on the opposite side and it will be long. At 8 o'clock, it will be little short. Around 10:30, it will be little short. When the sun will be overhead, the shadow will be short, generally below our feet, right? In the same way, when there is a sunset, the shadow will be created on the opposite side. Early it will be short, it will increase, and later in the evening it will be long on the opposite side. So like this you can also try with your own shadow. Early in the morning, how is your shadow, long or short? How many meters far away it is? You can measure it, you can tell someone to measure. In the same way, at different time, you should see where is your shadow, whether it is far or near. Page number 8, this activity you can do at home. Arrive in school, they are telling, here you have to write the time. So at what time do you arrive in the school and in which direction your shadow is. And what is the length of your shadow? Is it long or short? Then during recess time, then during long recess, then during the departure time. So 4 different times they are telling you to take your shadow. This is our earth and it has 5 major latitudes. The first one is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, and here Antarctic Circle. As I told you earlier, the axis of the earth is tilted, so the earth will also become tilted. So when you see the globe, the lines will be slanting. All the lines, all the latitudes, major latitudes which I told just now, these all become slanted towards one side. So it means the earth is tilted towards one side. Look here students, you can see the blue line of the equator and that is little tilted. If you see the globe properly, carefully, you will see the axis is tilted. From here it is starting and here it is the support. So you can see the earth is tilted towards one side. When the rotation of the earth take place, it moves very slowly and gradually it completes one rotation. Okay, let us start with rotation. As we know what is rotation? Rotation means moving on the same place. That is rotation. The earth rotates on its imaginary axis. This we have discussed, right? Now what is the speed of the earth while rotation? The speed of the earth is 1670 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour it is moving this many kilometers. Okay, now we know the speed. How much time does it take to complete one round? It takes 24 hours to complete one round. Okay, for example, let me show you the globe. This is our globe. Here is India. From here it is starting and coming back to this place again, it takes one full day, 24 hours. Okay. So, 1 day is equals to 1 round. In 24 hours, it will complete 1 round. That is rotation. Now, let us look here. This is the orbit of the earth. Okay. Now, the sun rays are coming towards the earth. The side which is facing the sun will receive sunlight and here it will be day. The side which is facing the sun and receiving the light, it is called day. The part which doesn't receive the sunlight, that is night. Here there will be no light, so here it will be all dark, and this is night. So when the earth is rotating, the places will change. The dark side will come here, then these places will have daytime, these places will go back side, there will be dark, and it will experience night time. So this is the rotation of the earth. Rotation of the earth leads to day and night phenomena. रोटेशन, अर्थ के रोटेशन की वजह से डे एंड नाइट होते हैं. ओके. विंडोज ऑफ द क्लासरूम, दिस यू हैव टू डू एट होम, सो यू कैन डू दिस इन अ रूम एंड शट द डोर्स एंड मेक इट डार्क. ओके, so that there is darkness. Illuminate the globe with the torch. The part which is lit signifies the day, while the dark half signifies night. Start your torch and let it focus on the globe. If you don't have a globe at home, you can try with a ball also. The part which is facing the torch, it will have daytime, and the part which doesn't receive the light directly, there will be dark, and that is night time. So this activity you can try at home. Okay students, page number 9. We have an activity here. Let us do it. If it is daytime in India, write whether it would be day or night in the following countries given in the table below. Now if India is having daytime, Canada will be having night. So write down night there. Japan will have daytime. Canada will have night time because it is almost opposite to India. So there will be night. Japan is on the side of India. Okay, on the eastern side. So it will have day. Mexico will have night. Australia will have day. Brazil, at it lies opposite to India, it will have night time. And South Africa will have daytime. Fill up this in the table given. Okay, let us start with revolution. We know what is revolution? Revolving around the sun. Who is revolving around the sun? The earth is revolving around the sun. Even other planets are also revolving around the sun. Now, this is sun and this is our earth. Along with the earth rotating and revolving on its fixed path, that is orbit, we have moon also is revolving around the earth. That is the natural satellite of the earth. Okay. Now, as the earth is revolving around the sun, its speed is 1780 kilometers per hour. So in 1 hour it is moving this many kilometers. How much time does it take? It is taking 365 days. Actually 365 and 1/4 days to complete one round. Okay. Now the orbit is elliptical. We have already discussed. Orbit means the path. ये जो पाथ है जिसके ऊपर अर्थ हमेशा रिवॉल्यूशन करता है वो ओवल शेप में है, राउंड नहीं है. ओके. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, अर्थ का डिस्टेंस सन से हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है. यहाँ पर आएगा अर्थ तो यहाँ दूर होगा, यहाँ पर जब अर्थ होगा तब नजदीक होगा. सो द डिस्टेंस डजंट रिमेन द सेम थ्रू आउट द ईयर. पूरे साल में उसका जैसे ही प्लेस बदलेगा उसका डिस्टेंस भी चेंज होगा. दिस इज रिवॉल्यूशन. नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड राइट नाउ, दैट इज अबाउट द डिग्रीज. एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, द अर्थ हैज tilted axis. Now this should be straight but it is tilted. तो ये tilted कितने डिग्री तक tilted है? That is 23.5 डिग्री. कितना टिल्ट है? 23.5 डिग्री टिल्ट है. तो ये जो एक्सिस अब जो टिल्टेड है वो ऑर्बिट से कितना टिल्टेड है? इसका डिस्टेंस कितना? 66.5 डिग्री. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक्सिस और ऑर्बिट का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 66.5 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है. ओके. नाउ द मून रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ, दैट वी हैव अंडरस्टूड, and the earth revolves around the sun. Okay.